I had a package of it come in. So just like a customer, my package arrived today and I have it, and we're just going to open it together. Sight unseen. I've got it right here. I'm going to show it to you. Here's the package. Of course, I knocked out the addresses, but this is the package. And then I'm going to lower the camera. And there was a question about weight. So let's do that. There's the handy dandy scale. Here we go. Package is going on. We're about 1 pound, 14 ounces. So just under 2 pounds, slightly under 2 pounds for this. Pop you back up, and then we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing. Like I said, I haven't opened it. No tape. Okay. Going right from 0 to 60 here as quickly as we can. Again, what you're going to get is a selection of various cuts. How many fat quarters? I don't know. How many charms? How many this or that? I don't know. That's the beauty of the grab bag, right? But I will tell you that our customers who have bought this at the regular price around $73 has been very happy. But here we go, coming out of the package, already packed up. Looks like we get a pattern here. So they're including a pattern. Let's take a peek. So this one is called Pinwheels. So you get the pin. I mean, you may get a different pattern. You may not get a pattern. It's hard to say, right? This is a grab bag. And so we have some small squares. It's a pretty good little pack here, all bundled up for you. This is the flower shower, and you would see this one in a couple of our kits, and there's some beautiful colors inside. But again, pre-cuts, right? That's what we're talking about. Here is a strip roll in white, and looks like it's got some decor items on it. I won't undo it all the way because this is a short video. Similar, another white version. This is a, so what are we looking at here? Probably 4-inch, yeah, 4-inch packs here. What else we got? Let's see. From Moda, Berrylicious Batiks. So we've got a Batiks charm pack here. Show you the back. Flip through some colors. As you can see, Batiks are in here. There's a nice selection of those. Looks like some fat quarters. We see some of the bandana fabric that is in, let's see, the hen house, flower shower, some other hen house colors. Got another charm pack here. Again, beautiful colors, textures, all clean. So we're not talking about scraps here, right? We're talking about pre-cuts that would normally sell on the website for, you know, $25 to $45. Some white strips. I mean, who doesn't like having their background strips and stuff already cut? There's some white of those packs ready to go. So that is what is included in the kit. And come back and take a peek. Let's talk a little bit about this. All right, let's start right here. We've got the 2.5-inch squares. I think there's 200 and some in here. I think just 200, but retail price 25. Moda, this pack here, I think you can find that anywhere from, $25 or less. There's probably 100 and some in here on this pack. This one we will always sell as well. Again, probably $30 value here. You got your fat quarter bundle. There's 4 of them. Okay, we sell them in a larger pack, but I think they broke this one down. So let's just call it, $10. Okay, and then we've got the strip roll, all set, 17 pieces. Let's go average in the stores, 15. Again, when you look at these packs, they're about 200. Okay, so there's these 4-inch squares with all the varying white off colors. Again, another 200, probably $25. You've got your strips here. Again, these are folded over. You can see that. Got 2 packs of those. Let's just call them $10. And then you got your pattern, right? So when you're looking at it, we're talking about 25, 25. There's 50, 80. Let's see. Let's just start right here. Let's go 25, 25. There's 50. There's 80. Let's make this, $10. Okay. 90. We got strip rolls. Okay. let's say they're 15, so 105, another 200 pack. Let's just call it 25. Let's call these $10. I mean, we're easily into that 125, 130 range with the pattern. Again, we're talking retail prices, but you're only paying 50 for it. So again, I think it's a good value overall. It's a mystery bag. So do you love this? You might not, but it's always already wrapped up. You can gift it. Presentation is already there, so you can gift it to someone else. You can donate it to our senior center. You can put it to use. You can come up with a project for it, but you get a nice selection, a little bit of different. It's not going to follow all one thing, so you're not going to be disappointed. You got a lot of things to work with, and again, you get that free pattern. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions. Again, looks like a pretty good kit to me.